which items are not subject to any restrictions?
Alcohol, perfume, tobacco.
Wrong. How is the duty collected by custom officials beneficial for the government?
It is a direct source of revenue for the government.
Which work can be restricted according to right? Which work can be restricted according to custom rules?
The goods that can be restricted entirely
Right. In which way custom rules protect the citizen of the country?
from the spread of infectious disease.
Right. Why are clothes, jewelry, beauty toiletries, camera and laptops not subject to any restrictions?
Because these are for personal use.
Which book describes the custom rules of different countries? Right.
Repeat please.
Which book describes the customs rules of different countries?
TIM, Travel Information Manual.
What is the rule of custom? Right. What is the rule of custom governing a country?
To control the transportation of goods from one country to another.
Right. What are the other streams described in the TIM?
Number of goods to exported and imported.
Wrong. What does TIM?
TIM refers to what is TIM? What does TIM refers?
What does TIM refer?
TIM refers to the goods that can be imported or exported.
Right. During the journey, from where the information about the evacuation of goods can be obtained?
Can you please repeat?
Yes. During the journey, from where the information about the evacuation of goods can be obtained?
TIM.
Right. If the traveler wants to travel with his pet, then from where he can be obtained this information?
TIM.
Right. From where the passenger can obtain the information about the tax payable at the airport and tax-free allowance?
Custom hall.
Right. What kind of information can be obtained in custom hall?
Tax payable or tax-free allowance can be obtained.
Right. What are the three options which can be offered to passenger for custom inspection?
Red channel, green channel and blue channel.
When is the traveler traveling within Europe? In that case, which channel passenger has to use for custom inspection?
Blue channel.
Right. If a passenger has goods that has not brought for selling purpose and the products are not more than the duty-free allowance, in that case, to which channel passenger should go for custom inspection?
Green channel.
Right. How many alternatives can be offered to travelers for custom inspection?
3.
Right. After reclaiming their luggage at the airport, what passenger has to do to come out of the airport?
Custom clearance.
Right. When will the traveler go to red channel for custom